Red bean and beet cutlets recipe. Ingredients: 1 can of red beans, 15 ounces/425 grams, drained and rinsed. 1 medium-sized beet, peeled and grated. 1 onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon ground cumin. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. 1 teaspoon salt. Half cup, 60 grams, bread crumbs. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 2 tablespoons flour. Half cup, 120 milliliters, water. Fresh parsley, chopped, optional. Instructions: in a mixing bowl, mash the red beans with a fork or potato masher until it forms a coarse paste. Add grated beet, chopped onion, minced garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, thyme, salt, and breadcrumbs to the mixing bowl. Mix well.
Our potato.
Using your hands, shape the mixture into small patties or cutlets. Heat the olive oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Gently place the cutlets in the pan and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are brown and crispy. Set aside on a plate. In the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of flour and stir for a minute until it turns golden brown. Gradually add water and whisk continuously to create a smooth sauce. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the sauce thickens. Pour the sauce over the cutlets and sprinkle chopped parsley on top, optional. Serve hot with your favorite side dish. Enjoy your delicious red bean and beet cutlets.